the fastest out of you two?
I think when we were younger, it was Media, but I think I'll burn it off.
So grew up playing touch and netball back in Whakatane, and then my parents sent me up to St Kitts and then got into like representative touch up there. Outside of high school I was in netball with the Mystics, and then after that I moved home, and then I wasn't really doing anything, and she obviously had started playing sevens and stuff, so my mum and dad told me why not give rugby a go, and now playing rugby. Just like seeing, you didn't really inspire me, but
No, you already said it.
Pretty much, I don't want to say followed in her footsteps, but once she left to go to St Kitts, then my parents were kind of like, come on, like at the start I was like, nah, like this is where I'm comfortable, so I didn't really want to leave, but then obviously made the move. Played touch and netball throughout high school and stuff, really enjoyed that, and then played a tournament for the Bay of Plenty, and then that's how I kind of got into sevens. Just followed that pathway ever since.
To be able to do rugby full-time as a job is pretty overwhelming to me, and with the Black Ferns winning the World Cup, it's awesome to be a part of like a legacy. I wasn't there, but every chance that I will get to wear the Black Ferns jersey, it's my job to be able to add to that.
It's definitely a privilege. Being amongst everyone, it's pretty cool, and obviously our team has achieved quite a bit, so I'm just grateful to be a part of that, and similar to Media, just add my bit where I can and be the best version of myself and I can be.
It's not normally something that I would do or put my hand up for, but our leader, Ari, she sort of gave me the confidence to take the lead, and I was surprised at that I'd done it, and it got easier the more I did it, so it was cool.
I'm kind of going on my own journey of trying to learn the language, and my ultimate goal is to become fluent one day. But I definitely think it's important, especially in the way when we travel overseas, and just knowing who you are, where you come from and who you represent is pretty important.